G'day guys, this is Jess from Outback Equipment, and today we're going to be checking out the Aussie Traveller anti-flap kit. You've got the black version, the white version. The short version in front of me is suitable for awnings from 2.1 to 2.2 meters. The medium one here is suitable for awnings from 2.2 to 2.3 meters, and the long version is suitable from 2.3 to 2.4 meters. Now they're suitable for Carefree, Dometic, Fiamma awnings, and many others. Out of the box you'll get 4 pieces. This is the left-hand side. You'll get your fixing kit, which is your bracket, 2 screws to screw into your awning, and there is some assembly required. Undo these 2 screws, pull out the joining piece, flip it around, put it back inside this side, tighten up these screws, and then insert it into this side, and then tighten this little knob here, and you're good to go. Once you've installed the bracket on the awning side and you've drilled a hole in the drum for your spigot, it's super easy to install the anti-flap kit. Pop the handles on this side, which will release the clamp on this side, which is where your awning goes, and that will prevent the awning from flapping in the wind. The main reason you would buy an anti-flap kit is essentially to reduce damage to your awning, and it also prevents that annoying flapping sound all day. The great thing about the Aussie Traveller anti-flap kit is that it's expandable with a range of accessories. It comes with these inbuilt tracks, which provides a connection for privacy walls, sunscreens, and fly netting. The other great accessory from Aussie Traveller is your anti-flap kit canvas storage bag, which makes storing your anti-flap kit in your caravan much more practical and neat. For the full range of Aussie Traveller products, you can get them online at outbackequipment.com.au. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and if you liked this video and thought it was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. And catch you in the next one.